Hey guys, how's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Sunbeam AAA batteries. Yeah, these are your tiny ones. And Sunbeam, I'm using these Sunbeam ones, this brand name, for the first time. And I guess they work okay, but basically the only thing, okay, the first I got these, it was an 8-pack for a very, very, very cheap price. I had never heard of Sunbeam before, and I ran across these batteries. I decided to try them because they were 8 in a pack. I have 6 here because at the moment I'm using 2 of them in my remote control for my television. It's been about 3-4 weeks that I got these, and I've had it only for my remote control so far. What I did was I tried using them in a toy of my son's, and it didn't last very long. Okay, it pretty much died, not right away, but much sooner than a normal AAA battery that is like, say, name brand, high quality, like, you know, the big ones, the big name ones. Died pretty quick. I mean, much faster. I was like, oh, that's just not good. And you get what you pay for, I guess. They seem to work very well and steady with small devices. You know, devices that you're not going to use, like, you're not going to have on for like a long time. Like, you turn it on and it's just going to remain on until you're done using it, that kind of thing. When you use like a control, like for your television, you only click it every now and then, and every time you click, it uses the charge or uses the battery. So it's not like it's on all the time. Most of the time it's going to be off once you find what you're going to watch, and it's just sitting there. So it works good for that kind of thing. I also use it for my garage door opener, or my clicker for my gate, the gate that I need to open, get inside where I work. And it works good for that kind of thing. Low draining devices, you know. But if you want to put it inside something like a clock, or something like that's going to be on like for a good length of time, I wouldn't use this. It just seems like they'll drain pretty fast. I was attracted to the price and the fact that 8 came in a pack. I know there's 6 here, but using 2. So pretty much saving these just for when I need them, you know, for small devices like those kind of things. But hey, it is what it is, and it's not like I'm not going to be able to use them. It's just, you know, they just don't last very, very long. I tried some in a small flashlight that I had when I needed to work on my car. I had a little tiny flashlight, and I put 2 of these in there. It was from another pack. I mean, it lasted. I mean, it did its thing. I had the flashlight. It was at nighttime, and I had the flashlight on for, oh gosh, I must have been out there for an hour and a half or something like that. And it lasted. It stayed on and it did its job. But the next day, I needed to go do something in the backyard. It was, I got the flashlight and it started flickering. you know, like it was trying to die. I was like, oh, I guess it's the batteries. They're trying to die. And, you know, where you have to shake at the batteries, you know, shake the flashlight to get the battery working, you know, I started having to do that. So I was like, yeah, these don't last for very long. So yeah, that's my experience. And I would only get these if I was going to use them just for like small things like remote control and things like that. Yeah, but they are what they are and they do what they do. And like I said, they are very, very economical, very cheap. That's pretty much take on it. And I mean, a lot of people don't need things to last a super long time. Just for, you know, small devices, it's cool. All right. Okay, well, that's my take on the Sunbeam AAA 8-pack batteries. Yeah. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.